In this guide, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to get mechanical components here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But let's get right into this. There's a few methods to go over here. The first method is actually through the refiner. So if you actually head to your workshop up at the very top, you could select this install button here and you're going to see the refiner on here. Go ahead and craft it for 60 metal parts and 5 arc power cells. Once you do craft it though, go ahead and select it from this menu and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. And once you do get in a section, you can actually craft mechanical components using 7 metal parts and 3 rubber parts, and you can craft as many as you need. It's super simple, super reliable, and it is by far the easiest ways to get these quickly every single time, so it's worth the grind getting to it. The second method is through your inventory. Open that up, and what you're going to want to do is recycle gear that you no longer want. Weapons and other equipment are going to end up breaking down into mechanical components. For example, if I right click on a gun right here and then select recycle and confirm it, there is a chance that it gives me 2 mechanical components right away, which is good for easy farming. That being said, it is still not 100% guaranteed, which is why the first method is a little bit better. But the final method here in this video is going to be in this section right here. If you open up your map, and you can really go in any of these options, but if you select inspect, it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. What you're looking for is these areas that have this little like cogwheel gear symbol on it. These are going to represent mechanical themed areas and they have a higher chance of dropping mechanical components. You can still find them anywhere in the world, but these spots are by far going to be the best places to check. But that is it. That is 3 simple ways to get mechanical components fast here in Arc Raiders. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.